Hi everyone, this is a video to show you if you want to replace a tensioner on 2004 C230 compressor. The tensioner has a pulley and the actual tensioner, I don't know if it's good enough to see, but this is where the tensioner is. After you release it from the position where the belt is gone and everything, you have to actually remove a lot of parts. I started this video kind of late, but what you actually have to do, you have to remove the air box, which is not here at all. You have to remove the intake, which is this part right here. You have to remove the injector supply pipe, which is right here. You have to remove all those parts to get to the air compressor itself. Now the air compressor itself has 2 bolts on the top, and it has 3 bolts that you have to remove from the bottom in order to get the air compressor up and get it to this position, so you can actually get to the back of the tensioner. And right there is the bolt on the back of the tensioner that you have to remove in order to be able to remove the tensioner itself. When I remove it, I will continue this video. Thank you.